So, welcome back, world. Work absolutely sucked today. So, we're gonna go home, and I'm gonna do the fun girl thing to pick myself up again, and I'm gonna dye my hair. We're going to dye it purple, which fades into this, honestly, but my roots are back enough that I miss the purple, so we're just gonna do it. So, I will see you when we get there. So, I thought my hair was pink before, but, wow. Like, very pink, very hot pink. And obviously the blonde. They did a pretty okay job. Alrighty. Now, let's put the purple in, which I am very excited about. This one you don't have to shake. Okay, well, I lied. You have to shake it sort of to get it out of the bottle. Let's even that back out. Okay. So, move that first little bit. Oh my goodness. I think that the thing that I really like about the splat dyes is that they scent them, so it actually smells kind of nice. Can you just get with the rest? There we go. Okay. So a half hour of bleach and then half hour to an hour of letting the purple set in. I could just do this. That ombre effect's kind of nice, but I want all the purple. I'm gonna finish off this, and I will see you guys after for the finished result. Ooh, that purple though. It actually turned out alright. I'm very happy with it. I have a few little highlights, but you know, I'll live. That's okay. Highlights are fine, because then it gives your hair a little bit more personality, in my opinion. Alright, so that was a fun adventure, and you know what? I do feel a little bit better now, considering how bad today started. So, I'm going to take this video and edit the hell out of it. A little bit. Not really. I'm just going to combine a bunch of stuff. Alright. Peace out. Vlogmas 2 was alright. So far, so good. See you guys next time.